This looks like a window and a peep sight. In a sense, it's both. But it's a window through which artists saw the world hundreds of years ago. What do you think it is? It's an artist's perspective frame, and through it, artists were able to measure the landscapes they were painting and get all the relationships accurate. Van Gogh used one of these, and so did Durer, who sketched this one. Same principle, different design. How do they work? Well, really like this. You can see there's a frame there stretched with a whole lot of strings, which grid it up into a pattern of squares 6 by 4. And I've gridded up a piece of paper in the same sort of pattern. Now, when I look at the landscape through that, I can see lines across it. The trouble is, as I move my head, the landscape is moving behind the lines. That's no good. So to keep the head in the constant position, you put on the peep sight and you look through the hole. And that trapped your eye, which meant that every time you looked at that, you're looking in the same place. And you got a view very much like this. You've got a circle with lines and the landscape beyond. This is a part of our set. Now I can start to translate that to the grid I've got on the piece of paper. So the top of the building was falling just into that square there. The top left-hand corner, well, that's almost up to that line just about there. I see a kite there. Where's that placed? There are two lines crossing just below the centre of the body, just there, so I can sketch the kite in. And in fact, by working like that, I could very quickly fill in all the movement and positions of everything on that, confident that I've got all their perspectives and their placements exactly right. I do it, of course, more carefully than this, but when the artists did it, they slowly filled up the painting and hid those lines that they used to guide them. These days, we'd use a camera. It's easy. In those days, they didn't have one. They used this complex geometry.
I want to know. Curiosity.